When you buy an inside corner, there's a few pieces involved. You have your corner screw, your corner post, and the actual inside corner is 2 pieces. The first piece I will take is the plastic corner insert. This is meant to sit on the ground with the hole closest to the top. Place it in like so. Put it in there loosely for now. Take the screw that's included in the box and gently screw on a 45-degree angle straight into the corner. Put it through the center hole and screw it into place. The only purpose of this piece is to hold the top of the inside corner in place. Make sure this lip on the back wall catches the lip on the back of your front cover. Go ahead and lock it down into the brackets. Moving away to the corner here. Snap in my small piece. The inside corner goes as follows. The top piece will lay on first. This little projection in the cap has to go inside this black screw hole here. After you place the top of the inside corner on both sections, simply slide the smaller piece onto the front.